Thoughts and Notions, Unit 2, Lesson 4, Olympic Sports. The first modern Olympic Games took place in Athens, Greece in the year 1896. Athletes from only 13 countries participated in the Games that year. They competed in 43 different events in just 9 sports: track and field, swimming, cycling, fencing, gymnastics, shooting, tennis, weightlifting, and wrestling. In 2004, the Summer Olympic Games took place once again in Athens, Greece. This time, athletes from 202 countries competed in 300 events in 28 sports. Only 5 sports have been in every Olympic Games. They are track and field, swimming, fencing, cycling, and gymnastics. Other sports come and go in the Olympic Games. For example, tennis was an Olympic sport from 1896 until 1924. Then it disappeared from the Olympics until 1988. Baseball, badminton, and taekwondo are more recent additions to the Olympic Games. It is the job of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, to add and remove sports from the Olympic Games. A sport has to be popular in at least 50 countries on 3 continents before it can be added. However, the IOC doesn't want to add more sports to the Olympic Games without eliminating others. The IOC is afraid that there will be too many sports in the Olympics. Artistic events were also a part of the Olympic Games from 1912 to 1948. There were contests in architecture, music, literature, and painting. Today, some people think that artistic events and games such as chess should be part of the Olympics. However, many people oppose this idea. The Olympic Games today are very different from the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. These differences reflect the changing definition and popularity of sports.